Hey guys, and today my friend Sophie and I, we are going to go on a nature walk. Yay! So let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going outside. This is a sign-up sheet that we made for camp. It's also today. Yay! So, yeah.
I'm stealing my friend's cheese.
And water. Whoa. We actually got it. I need... Okay, so it's kind of hard to see since there's glare all the way, like everywhere, but I'm sure it's clear for you. So sorry if it's kind of bad, like, but did you know that? I'm sorry.
So, what do you want to do while we're on our walk?
I don't know. Okay, now it's completely black. I can't see a thing at all.
What if we played Truth or Dare?
Okay.
Okay, so Truth or Dare?
Truth. Everyone knows our questions already, so.
I know. Who's more important? Your fans or YouTube itself?
I don't know. I mean, I love like all the cool YouTubers and stuff because I can get ideas from them to make my fans happy. So I kind of like them equally, I guess.
There's this crazy dog who was chasing us earlier.
Yeah,
It's awful.
and then there was this guy. He was like chasing us too.
It's too creepy.
Like he was in like white.
It's like this.
Yeah, there was also another guy. It's over here. We'll show you like a video of him. It's so scary.
Now I feel like there's a car following us.
Well, there kind of is. This is kind of scary because it's right there.
Let's turn around.
Guys, it stopped like right there. My jacket's off. Sophie. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is actual footage. Well, I was terrified.
Okay, I see the guy.
No, that's him.
It's the guy in the white shirt. I don't know if you could just see that.
That's my brother.
Well, that's her brother. We're talking about the guy back there.
Yeah. That was actually so scary.
I know. Okay.
The car seriously stopped.
We're gonna sit down and play some Truth or Dare after our nature walk. Wasn't really a nature walk, but Sarah, I'll take a blanket. Nice. So,
Truth or Dare?
Truth.
This is hard. Let me think. Okay, this is kind of cheesy, but what's your favorite brand of clothing?
Really? Are you talking about how is there a price limit?
No, not really.
I like Nordstrom, Macy's, Gap. It's not really a brand. It's just basically like your shopping.
Right.
Next. So, Truth or Dare?
Dare.
I dare you to... Hold on, let me think. I dare you to go wave at those guys. Stay here and you don't have to say anything. Just wave at them. Okay, hold on. Go.
That was like, oh my gosh.
Creepy?
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Alright. Truth or Dare?
Dare.
I dare you to run all the way to that corner and jump up and down.
Okay?
You film me. So yeah, hey guys, that was her dare. I don't know if you guys saw it because I couldn't see, but I know it was like I was actually like really far. So yeah.
I did run up and jump down. Okay. Truth or Dare?
Dare.
I dare you to pick up a piece of grass and put it on your tongue for 1 second.
That's disgusting. Okay, let me get one. So this is a piece of grass, picked fresh from this garden. No, I'll do this one because it's like cleaner. Well, probably not, but
Just stick your tongue out.
3, 2.
1 Mississippi. That was Sarah, Dare Queen. That's what we call her at
Gross.
school.
Well, yeah, because I did this like really embarrassing dare to like the worst person ever.
Okay, I know you don't. Well, hold on. First, truth or dare? Wait, it's your turn.
Truth or dare?
I pick truth.
Okay, who would you rather date? No. Who would you rather jump on a cake? A cake. Gosh. Probably anyone, but Queen Elizabeth the First. That car's back again.
This car's been following us.
Scary.
It's really creepy.
I think we should stop because he's going so slow. He's like, okay, guys, I think we should stop now.
I mean, this is kind of scary.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my final destination. I'm just gonna say, tell my mom I love her and my whole family, and basically, I roll, yay!
Okay. And remember, smile always. Bye.